softly through the hall. Every step echoes where you used to be, but you're the melody I'll always need. I love you like the stars love their sky, like the ocean loves the moon up high. Missing you feels like losing my own heart. You're the only song I've known from the start. Your laughter lingers in the midnight air. I turn around, but you're not there. The clock keeps ticking, mocking my pain. Missing you feels like losing my own heart. You're the only song I've known from the start. Each tear falling writes your name for me in my dreams. You're my reality. The world feels quiet when you're far away, but I'll hold on till the break of day. I love you like the stars love their sky, like the ocean loves the moon up high. Missing you feels like losing my own heart. You're the only song I've known from the start. fills my heart, like the ocean reaching for the sky. You appear before my eyes, like a candle lighting up the night. There you are, softly smiling, turning silence into a song. I missed you more than words can say. When your name lingers on my lips, I see you waiting under the tree, where sunlight dances through the leaves. You become the breeze, the golden light, waiting for me, as if you always knew. When longing overflows in me, and the world feels still and far, I close my eyes and there you are, like a whisper in the dark. You shine like morning through the rain, you ease the weight of time again. I missed you more than words can say. When your name lingers on my lips, I see you waiting under the tree, where sunlight dances through the leaves. You become the breeze, the golden light, waiting for me, as if you always knew. You're always near, in every breath and every tear. I miss you, and somehow you appear.